Hey YouTube, today I've got a first ever unboxing video for the channel. Now, I literally just got this 10 seconds ago, and this is good. I think this is from Deal Extreme. It says here it's an RC hobby. It costs $7, but I've never ever ordered an RC appliance that costs $7. I'm pretty sure this is my knives that I bought from Deal Extreme. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. Here we go. Very tough paper. Here we go. Open this up. Here we go. This is not from Deal Extreme, this is from eBay. And this is my multi-tool knife that I got for $2. It's got a generous amount of weight. I'm very impressed with this. Got this off eBay for about $2.80, something like that. It's 11 in 1. And yeah, this is certainly not a remote control, but yeah, I'm extremely impressed with this. This is very good quality. It came from Shenzhen, right in there. But yeah, I'll just open things up. Oh, okay. Here we go. Let's have a look at this, what this does. This is some sort of a bottle opener thing. We'll just get the blade out. So that's like, this is the main blade. Yeah, it looks nice. We'll just check how sharp it is. Whoa, that is extremely sharp. It's a lot sharper than my scalpel. That is amazing quality for $2. I'm extremely impressed. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for some more unboxing videos. I've definitely got something coming on tomorrow from Deal Extreme then, I guess. So, anyway, just thanks. See ya.